I think a strong CV starts with clarity.
Clarity makes recruiters understand your value quickly.
A professional summary at the top sets the tone.
That summary should highlight your strengths and career goals.
Tailoring the CV to each job is crucial.
Customization shows you match the role perfectly.
Keywords from the job description help visibility.
Those keywords make applicant tracking systems notice you.
Achievements speak louder than duties.
Results prove your impact in previous roles.
Numbers add credibility to accomplishments.
Metrics show measurable success and growth.
A clean layout keeps attention focused.
Simple design ensures easy reading.
Fonts should be professional and consistent.
Proper fonts maintain a polished impression.
White space improves readability.
Balanced spacing guides the reader's eye.
Action verbs energize your statements.
Strong verbs demonstrate initiative and results.
Education should be listed clearly.
Degrees and certifications validate your expertise.
Skills must match the job requirements.
Relevant skills prove you fit the role.
Avoid long paragraphs and descriptions.
Bullet points make information digestible.
Contact details should be up to date.
Accurate details ensure easy communication.
Email addresses must look professional.
A formal email builds credibility.
LinkedIn links add value.
Online profiles strengthen your professional image.
Career gaps need positive framing.
Honest explanations show resilience and growth.
Volunteer work can demonstrate character.
Community involvement highlights soft skills.
Internships are valuable for beginners.
Practical experience shows initiative early on.
Awards should be mentioned proudly.
Recognition proves excellence in your field.
Languages add global appeal.
Multilingual ability expands opportunities.
Technical skills should be specific.
Clear tools and software show competence.
Soft skills matter equally.
Communication and teamwork impress employers.
Keep the CV length appropriate.
Concise content respects recruiters' time.
Avoid irrelevant personal details.
Focus only on professional information.
Proofreading prevents mistakes.
Error-free writing shows attention to detail.
Consistent formatting builds trust.
Uniform style reflects professionalism.
Achievements should be recent and relevant.
Current success proves ongoing capability.
Career progression must be clear.
Growth shows ambition and development.
References can be added when requested.
Providing them later keeps space free.
Industry-specific terms show expertise.
Specialized language proves knowledge.
Avoid cliches and descriptions.
Unique phrasing makes you stand out.
Keep the CV updated regularly.
Fresh information reflects your latest skills.
Online templates can guide beginners.
Templates provide structure and clarity.
A cover letter complements the CV.
Letters personalize your application.
Achievements should show problem solving.
Solutions demonstrate critical thinking.
Leadership roles should be highlighted.
Leading teams proves responsibility.
Projects can showcase creativity.
Practical examples reveal innovation.
Publications add academic weight.
Research work shows authority.
Portfolios support creative fields.
Samples demonstrate real talent.
Certifications prove continuous learning.
Ongoing education shows dedication.
Career objectives should be realistic.
Clear goals align with employer needs.
Avoid negative language.
Positive tone builds confidence.
Use consistent tense throughout.
Uniform tense improves flow.
Highlight promotions clearly.
Advancement shows recognition.
Mention teamwork achievements.
Collaboration proves adaptability.
Include problem-solving examples.
Solutions highlight analytical skills.
Keep margins balanced.
Proper spacing improves design.
Avoid decorative graphics.
Simplicity keeps focus on content.
Use professional file names.
Proper naming shows organization.
Save CVs in PDF format.
PDFs preserve layout across devices.
Avoid spelling errors.
Correct language builds trust.
Keep tone formal.
Professional tone impresses recruiters.
Mention relevant hobbies.
Interest can show personality.
Avoid outdated skills.
Current skills prove relevant.
Highlight adaptability.
Flexibility shows resilience.
Mention achievements in numbers.
Quantified success proves impact.
Keep sentences short.
Brevity improves clarity.
Avoid repetition.
Variety keeps interest alive.
Mention cross-cultural experience.
Global exposure adds value.
Include professional memberships.
Associations show credibility.
Use headers for sections.
Structure guides the reader.
Keep design minimal.
Simplicity enhances professionalism.
Mention training programs.
Courses show initiative.
Highlight achievements in bold.
Emphasis draws attention.
Avoid jargon.
Clear language aids understanding.
Mention career highlights.
Key points show impact.
Keep CV aligned visually.
Alignment improves presentation.
Mention achievements early.
Strong start captures interest.
Avoid personal photos.
Neutral design avoids bias.
Mention relocation flexibility.
Mobility expands opportunities.
Keep CV 1 or 2 pages.
Concise length is effective.
Mention achievements in context.
Situations explain results.
Avoid vague statements.
Specifics prove credibility.
Mention achievements in leadership.
Leading projects shows influence.
Keep CV tailored for industry.
Industry focus shows expertise.
Mention achievements in innovation.
Creativity proves problem solving.
Keep CV free of clutter.
Clean design aids focus.
Mention achievements in efficiency.
Productivity gains impress employers.
Keep CV aligned with goals.
Alignment shows direction.
Mention achievements in teamwork.
Collaboration builds trust.
Keep CV proofread carefully.
Accuracy shows diligence.
Mention achievements in growth.
Progress proves ambition.
Keep CV ready for updates.
Preparedness shows professionalism.
Mention achievements in customer service.
Client satisfaction proves value.
Keep CV focused on strengths.
Strengths highlight potential.